So we've looked at how to add topic headings. Now we're going to look at how to add content to your Google Classroom. You will notice there is this plus symbol in the corner of your screen. Hover over that and you get the options to create an announcement, create an assignment, create a question, or reuse a post. So I'm going to create an announcement. I'm going to add the text here, asking my students to watch a video before their next lesson on cats. I'm going to add the video by clicking on the video icon, and I can search for a video here, or if I know the URL, I can add it using this link. So let's find a video on cats again. Okay, so I'm going to select this one and then click on add, and it's been added to the announcement. Now I can either post it immediately, or I could save it as a draft if I want to add more information to it later, or I could schedule when I actually want it to be released. But I'm going to post this one immediately.